Hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. आज मेरे साथ है अभिनव. अभिनव is from SIBM नागपुर by the way. आप कैंपस देख सकते हो. This is called as नागपुर का White House by the way. So Abhinav is here and he has made it to Flipkart for his summer internship by the way. Abhinav, welcome on board.
Thank you, sir.
I would love to know your story. By the way, we both are from Mumbai. Navi Mumbai precisely. He's my neighbor by the way.
Yeah.
So I want to understand ये जो Flipkart का जो internship आपने crack करा.
Yeah.
I know you have done it completely. You know the entire credit goes to you by the way.
Thank you.
How did this happen? And इसका थोड़ा प्रोसेस बता दो मुझे.
Okay, so basically,
पहले स्टाइपेंड बता दो पब्लिक को.
so the stipend is 1.2 lakhs per month,
Yeah,
and
nice.
the role would be about corporate marketing.
Perfect. Now let's move ahead. How did this happen?
So basically, I joined the campus. I was very new. I got a mail regarding that there's a case competition from Flipkart,
Okay.
and all the students can register it. They are basically like bifurcated into different specializations.
Okay.
So
Perfect.
I just registered myself,
Hmm.
and I had a first round was
Hmm.
apti, and
Hmm.
after aptitude exam there was case study. So after I got
Hmm.
can I fumble?
It's okay. It's okay. कोई लोड नहीं.
So after aptitude, I
Hmm.
cleared my aptitude exam, and after aptitude there was case study.
Hmm.
So the case study was basically about quick commerce versus e-commerce, and how is this market segment growing in India.
Okay.
After that, so when I cracked that,
Hmm.
I was selected as a campus winner in
Okay.
SIBM
So
Nagpur.
you are the winner of SIBM Nagpur.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you the process. कैसे होता है? Flipkart will roll out emails across the B schools in the country. ठीक है, अगर आपको लगता है कि इतनी यार मार्केटिंग मुझे करना है, मैं इस केस कॉम के लिए अप्लाई कर दूंगा जैसे अभिनव ने भी करा था. एंड उसके बाद फिर वो टेस्ट वगैरह होता है, कंपटीशन होता है. उसके बाद हर एक कैंपस से एक विनर को चूज किया जाता है. SIBM नागपुर में से ये विनर हुआ.
Yeah.
हाउ मेनी पीपल आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग आउट ऑफ 200 folks मेरे ख्याल से?
Yeah, so around 200,
Hmm.
280 students are there in our batch, but
Hmm.
I think around more than 200 students have participated from
Perfect.
first year.
परफेक्ट. सो हर एक कैंपस से ना गाइस एक एक बच्चे को चूज किया जाता है एंड फिर उनको इंटर्नशिप दी जाती है. नाउ आई वुड लव टू अंडरस्टैंड जो रोल आपको मिला है.
Yeah.
आपके साथ कौन कौन से और बी स्कूल्स हैं जहाँ के बच्चों ने अप्लाई करके उनको भी इंटर्नशिप मिली है? कैन यू नेम गुड बी स्कूल्स?
So considering I'm from SIBM Nagpur,
Hmm.
the students have got an internship from SIBM Pune as well,
वाओ.
and SIIB Pune. Other than that, I feel
Hmm.
I am Lucknow is there, I am Kozhikode is there,
Hmm.
I am Kashipur is there, SP Jain is there.
Hmm.
So these students have also got an internship from Flipkart.
Again, I don't want to compare it college by college, but I want to understand your perspective that from SIBM Nagpur, you know, you getting into the internship जहाँ पे कोई कोड MDI SIBM पुणे के बच्चे भी काम करेंगे तुम्हारे साथ. How does it feel?
So I personally feel it's a great opportunity to see what other colleges has to offer at the end of the day.
Hmm.
And you know, like I will get to understand ki yeah, whether I am at their level or
हाँ.
not
Right.
personally.
But तुझे ये पता था कि मतलब were you expecting these kind of exposure before getting into SIBM Nagpur?
No.
Yeah.
So when I was during my research, I
Hmm.
went through your videos as well, and I had a lot of background about this college before
Okay.
coming here.
Okay.
So Grant Thornton is one of the good
हाँ.
companies which
Hmm.
come on campus. So that was one of the dream or target
Hmm.
companies which I was
Hmm.
targeting beforehand.
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
never knew Flipkart is gonna
Hmm.
come up in my life, and I'm
Hmm.
gonna go to Flipkart at the end of it.
Okay, I think Grant Thornton was your dream company, but you got more than that actually.
Yeah,
वैसे
of course,
देखा
of
जाए.
course.
My last question for the day. You're smart, no doubt about it. Your background is good. You've got a work ex. You know, everything is good.
Yeah.
So before you join SIBM Nagpur, तुझे ऐसे नहीं लगा कि नहीं यार, एक साल और मेहनत करते हैं, एक किसी बड़े ब्रांड के लिए जाते हैं, you know, something like MDI वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह, या फिर you know, what was your thought process to choose SIBM Nagpur? Because I know there are a lot of kids जिनका एक दिन खराब हो जाता है, maybe Snap थोड़ा सा difficult गया, CAT थोड़ा सा difficult गया, and then there are students like you who are smart getting into SIBM Nagpur and then making into Flipkart.
Yeah.
ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चे होंगे मार्केट में, no doubt
True.
about that.
True.
Right? उनको क्या एडवाइस करना चाहोगे?
See, I feel at the end of the day, for me, what it was that I was already working for like past 3 years in Mumbai,
Hmm.
and I wanted a MBA degree, and I thought that I should wait and try for a
Hmm.
re-exam next year.
Hmm.
But then I didn't do that is because I felt that at the end of the day, agar maan lo, even if I'm doing an
Hmm.
MBA degree from
Hmm.
colleges, it depends what I have inside of
Exactly.
me.
Exactly.
And if I feel that
Hmm.
even though the college is not helping me out and I can
Hmm.
help myself in that scenario, I feel that any students in that case can get the best possible results out of themselves.
So you need to be confident about yourself, by the way.
Exactly.
Cool, Abhinav. That's it from my side. Thank you so very much for giving some time.
Thank
I
you,
wish you
sir.
all the very best. Do well, guys. Do hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.